turns out I've been using my spin mop incorrectly this entire time because I was gripping the handle really hard and trying to press the pedal down. Not what you're supposed to do. What you're actually supposed to do is grip the handle super light and let the entire handle spin with the mop to get out all of that excess water so you're not going to have like a super sopping wet mop. I would like to thank someone who viewed my video and let me know. I will tag them in the comments below.
Got the mop to do the mopping hack. I always use the Swiffer. What the F? Doing it again. There is no way. One more time. Okay, I'm done. I'm tired. How I mop some of my clients' floors. Cuban mop. Murphy's. Two rags work best. Such a simple, yet effective way to mop. I've never had complaints on my floors. For the corners, I use a separate rag on my hands and knees. I use a utility sink if there is one, but if not, I use the kitchen sink and clean after. Sew clean.